Built in 1901 for Newton Carmean, president of the Marshalltown Buggy Company. The house at 607 West Main Street in Marshalltown, Iowa, was designed and constructed by architects and builders brought in from Chicago. With 18 rooms, including a third-floor ballroom, her eclectic design drew from Queen Anne, Colonial Revival, Norman French, and Victorian influences, creating something rare and irreplaceable. For decades, she stood as a family home, passing from Carmean to the Thatchers, and later to Jacobson, who lived here for nearly 50 years. That she was not loved by every owner. Over time, care gave way to deferred maintenance, and neglect quietly took hold, not all at once, but slowly, year after year. Mistake by mistake. This house, she taught me more than I ever expected. Her story was twisted long before I ever found her, clouded by scandal, neglect and greed. In her final years, misinformation swirled like a storm. Instead of uniting to save her, voices worked against each other. Promises were made and broken. People reached out with false hope, with empty assurances, with cruel words, while some fought to be seen, to be heard, to claim her story as their own. The truth was lost. A house that could have been saved was instead reduced to rubble. I had a plan. It was simple. It would have made everyone whole. But rumors and noise drowned it out. A false narrative took hold that she was too far gone, too costly, too late. That wasn't true. She stood strong to her final breath. I asked for a few more weeks. After 135 years, it was all she needed. A little more time. But time was denied. Misinformation spread, doors closed, and voices twisted her story until she was gone. When the machines came, she fell only because they forced her down. Not because she was weak, but because she was betrayed. Her fall broke me. I shook with grief, with shock, with the weight of knowing what could have been. This house is why I began a non-profit. Not for fame. Not for likes. Not for clicks. But because no other house should fall this way. She deserved better. They all do. I never wanted to be the center of attention. I only wanted her story to end differently. And though she is gone, she gave me a purpose. Her loss is the beginning of something greater. A promise I will keep. To keep fighting, so others may be saved.